I'm going to give you a review of Strikingly, the website builder here. Now you can see I'm already on this site here, right? And there's a couple of features that's worth highlighting. First off, you can generate a site instantly by giving it a title and of course your business and organization name as well. Or you can pick a couple of these templates to start with editing, right? So for example, I have perspective here. I want to click on start editing here. I'm going to take this template and then we're going to build a website around this template, right? So for example, here you can see this is what it will look here, right? This is your website and this is what it looks like. It's a drag and drop method, right? So it's similar to Wix, it's similar to Shopify, it's pretty similar to GoDaddy as well. You can see this is what it will look like. Although I've heard that the premium plan is pretty pricey here, right? So let's try seeing what the premium plan is like. Now, you can see for the premium plan, it's around $11 per month, or for a VIP one, it's around $34 per month. But of course, this is an annual plan, right? For monthly one, it's around $20 per month, and for VIP, it's $60 per month. So of course, you'll save a lot more if you do it annually. For example, if you do 5 years, you'll get only $7 per month per pro, but you'll have to commit for a 5-year plan. And for Strikingly, this is what it would look like. It's a very simple website editor. Like for example, here, you can see you can replace the logo here, but you can't really change the layout that much. So it's a pretty beginner friendly website builder, although again, it is pretty pricey.